Good morning, students. Class 8. Today we are going to learn or we are going to discuss a totally new thing and a very interesting thing that is known as coordinate system. This paper you can see in grid form is called graph paper. Now what is the use of this paper? Why we use this? We use this to locate any point, understand the location of any point. Suppose I am keeping a dot over here. Here I am putting a dot. So in respect to this page or in respect to this grid margin, what is the position of this dot? This we can find out. This is the use of the coordinate system or graph. Now to understand this, first we need to understand that on graph paper, the thick line, these thick lines you can take by this way. One line you have to put, this is known as vertical line, and this horizontal line. Now horizontal line is known as x dash and vertical line is known as y dash. Now you know the number system. The same thing you have to apply here. We have to apply here. This cross point of horizontal line and vertical line is known as the origin. This point is 0 point and it is called the origin. This is called as the origin. The coordinate of this point is 0, 0. Now what is 0, 0? That I am going to describe you. Here you can see grid. Every grid you have to take as 1. Every grid you have to take as 1 unit. This is 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit, and this is 5th unit. See, in between two thick lines, both vertically and horizontally, look at here. This is a thick line, this is also a thick line. In between this thick line, two thick line, there is a thick line that is not as much of thick like this. This is lesser thick than this. Okay. This is, if you start pointing from one thick line, this next thick small or this thick line count is 5 unit, and from here to here this is again 5 unit. So just like the line representation, number line, this is 0 point, this is +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, +6, +7, +8, +9, +10. Similar way, left side, this is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6, -7, -8, -9, -10. So this you can see here 4 quadrant, means 4 part. This is one part, this is the second part, this is the third part, and this is the fourth part. In coordinate system we say these are as quadrant. This is known as the first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. Now when we are taking the vertical line, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and below the x-axis, below this line, the vertical line we will take as minus. -1, -2, -3, -4, this is -5. See, this is also the thick line but less thick than this. Then again -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, this is also less thick, this is -10. Okay, now what is xy? As you can see, this is a pen bag. If this is a page, now it having a height. If this is a page only, a page do not have any height, This axis, the length is known as the x-axis, and the breadth here, it is known as the y-axis. This is a two-dimensional object. Actually, this is not a two-dimensional object. If you take the example of a paper, of a page, that is a two-dimensional object where first dimension is x-axis, that is length, and second dimension is y-axis, that is breadth. Here, this is the length, we say. This is the vertical axis and this is the horizontal axis. Now the sign. First quadrant, both value of x-axis, y-axis will be plus. Value in second quadrant, see, this is upper side of y-axis. Here all the numbers are positive, so in y-axis it will be plus number. But see, there in this line the numbers are negative. You have to take it like x, y. So these are negative numbers. So in place of x, you will only can take minus. Any value of x, if it is minus, you have to plot it in this direction, left direction of vertical line. Okay. Next, third quadrant. See, it is same. It is the left side of the vertical line. See here, value of x is minus, and as this is the below of x-axis, see here, the value of y is again minus, so it is also minus. Value of x will be minus and value of y will be minus. And in this axis, see, this is x value will be right side. So right side of the 0 or the origin is positive number, so it is plus, and below the origin, below the 0 point, this is minus, so y axis value is minus. Now a small thing I will just describe you, that is how to locate a point. Suppose question number 1 of exercise 21.1. Exercise 21.1. Question number 1, what is given? Plot the following points. First point is A, 2 minus 3. What is the point given? Question number 1, A. Name of the point is A and the location is 2 minus 3. So first is, you know, x and then is y. First we will plot the x point. So x point is 2. You have to start from here. This is the origin. You have to start from here. 1, 2. This is 2. Next, minus 3. Minus 3. As I told you, as I shown you, that when y will be minus below line. So from here you have to take 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is the point A, 2 minus 3. Next point is given E, question number 5, E, 2, 7. So again you have to go till 2. From here always you have to start. This is the origin or starting point, 1, 2, and then see, y-axis value is 7, but it is plus. It is having not minus sign, it is plus sign. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the point 2, 7, point E. This is the way how you have to take the point. Thank you, class.